Everybody, welcome to the channel. So check this out, totally different view than usual, right? We're in my basement shop. This is where we create our canvas signs and prints. Little business me and the wife have got going on. If that's something you guys might be interested in, let me know. I'll send you some links. But we create custom canvas signs, and we're able to print out beautiful family portraits and stuff like that with this shop down here. Anyway, you guys aren't here necessarily for that. You guys are here for the 65 C10 that I chainsaw carved. If you guys didn't catch that video, I'll have it popping up in the top corner. You guys can go watch it, come back to this, or watch this and go check that out. You can watch me carve this thing with a chainsaw and some power tools and get it to this point. Now, in that video, I said I wanted to add some color, which I started to do. We're just going to black out the windows like this. And we're going to be doing a bunch of hand painting, and we're also going to be using my single action Pache airbrush. So I've actually had this since I was like 16. I've got a newer one, but you know, this still works, so why not use it, right? Anyway, the plan is to do some things I've never done with paint before. First, the easy stuff. We're gonna hand paint the windows with a brush so they're a good solid black. We'll get in, we will airbrush in here in the wheels, try to add like some silver to the rims. We'll airbrush so it has a nice shadow around the truck so it looks like it's just off the ground a little bit. Add some color to the front of this grill. But the big thing that I've never done with paint before is try to make a patinaed look. Now, what I want to be able to do is save certain aspects of the wood. This is nice dark grain from the maple going through right here. I want to be able to like have the paint, you know, away and have that showing. We have curl grain right here, curl or flame in the grain right here. It looks rippled. I want to be able to showcase that and have the paint kind of peeled away around it. Same thing on this side. I want that paint to be kind of peeled. There's some more nice grain here. And I even left some chainsaw marks on each side of the truck. I was thinking it might look cool as we're like trying to remove paint and it stays in there. And I don't know. It's something new, something different. But I really am having a lot of fun with this truck. If you guys watch that first video, if you think this is great, be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you guys haven't already. Something else we got to do, we got to hand paint Chevrolet across the back here, right on that tailgate. I don't know if I pointed out in the video, I did an exhaust that kicks out the side. But yeah, yep, that's it. All right, guys, listen. Let's take a look at what I've got going on, show you guys some colors, and start throwing some paint on this thing. All right, guys, so obviously I'm going to be using some some black, silver, white, but this is going to be the primary color of the truck. It's tough to see in here, but you'll be able to see it once I get spraying it. It's kind of like a bluish color with a tint of green. I've got this color mixed up, so it kind of looks like rust, which is kind of funny because it's a piece of wood, but I still want to have like, I don't know, a little rust layer if it's possible in spots. And then we have kind of like just a base gray, which would sort of be the idea of a primer paint. So we'll do all that. I think the bumper is going to have like some white on it, possibly. We'll have like some little white trim aspects here and there, but nothing super crazy. So first things first, I'm going to grab a brush. Most of this will kick in high speed, guys, because I know it's painting, right? We're watching paint dry. It might be boring, I don't know. You guys let me know. Again, this is the first time doing something like this for me, and I am interested in your guys' feedback. So we're going to get some black paint going, get all these windows filled in, and then hopefully we'll move into some airbrush work.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
All right, guys, check it out. All the paint work is done. Let me know what you guys think. If you haven't already, be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe. Airbrushed, hand painted, 65 Chevy C10 lowered, carved out of maple. If you guys missed the video on me carving this with a chainsaw and some power tools, I have a link popping up, or it'll be here at the end. Really interested to know what you guys think. I think the next one we're gonna do, someone requested, is a Ford F-150 Highboy 4x4. So I think we're gonna try to give that a go. If you haven't given me a like and a subscribe yet, you should probably do that, you know, because you don't want to miss that video. Hit that bell and hit all so you guys don't miss any future uploads. Really do appreciate you guys watching. Man, this thing came out really cool for a first. I'm digging it. All right, bye.